Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need YouTube Premium, the YouTube app signed into your account, and enough storage. Start now. Open the app, pick the videos or playlist you want, then choose Quality and tap Download. While connected to Wi-Fi, monitor the progress in library downloads. Make sure downloads finish fully. Once done, verify the files play inside the app so you don't rely on streaming later. This is the only reliable method to use YouTube with airplane mode enabled. Next, organize and confirm your offline library. Create or add to playlists so you can queue content quickly. Go to Library Downloads and confirm each item shows available offline. If a download is partial, delete and re-download at a stable Wi-Fi spot. Make sure offline captions, if needed, are downloaded too. Once everything verifies, close background apps and enable battery saver so playback lasts through the flight. This avoids interruptions and keeps the app responsive when disconnected. On the plane, put your device in airplane mode immediately to obey regulations. Then, only if allowed, turn Wi-Fi back on for in-flight internet. Otherwise, just use downloads. Open YouTube, go to Library Downloads and play offline. If a video refuses to play, toggle airplane mode off and on, force quit and reopen the app, and check that the download shows available offline. Re-download before your next flight if corrupted. This troubleshooting step fixes most playback issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.